Howdy. Today we're just going to play around and do like a little simple tune. Just 2-chord thing here, and it's going to be like in G and C. G and C. And with an easy strum like like that, and then do some light picking around that, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. And could add some drums, and I'll record a little clip here. Okay, I've got that recorded, that little clip now, and I'll play it continuously so you can play along with it. So anything that you pick be in that area, I would suggest starting off just picking like in your G, just go, then you go to C, before you do anything fancy like, and also, G and C is right here too, on bar. There's C and there's G, and it's also down here. Your G is down here, and C is right here. And I'll show you those when I play a clip here in a minute. I'll show you how you can make different sounds. And we got just 2 chords going on here, but you can make it sound a little bit different, you know. So it's a lot of fun to do this. I suggest everybody get like a, if you're just beginning to practice and stuff, if you have an electric guitar, get your little pedal like this. I use the Jam Man pedal, and it's just an inline pedal that you plug in to your guitar and goes to your amp, just like your, you know, accessory pedals and stuff. So I'll show you. We'll play one here. Okay, so you can do stuff like that, you know, and it's really exciting, I think. Just practice, 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 you know. Yuki, you didn't bark through the whole song, and now you did. She's watching TV, and she sees the dog.